Good evening, everybody. Welcome to the new chapter of Mathematical Physics, Part 2 of Fourier series. Today we discuss about Fourier series. Before going to discuss about Fourier series, we have to know that some terms connected to the Fourier series. The first term is periodic motion, periodic function. We have to know that what is a periodic function. I remember that in class 11 you study about periodic motion. Periodic motion means it is a type of motion which repeats after a regular interval of time. Again, periodic motion is a type of motion which repeats after a regular interval of time. For example, motion of clock, motion of planets, motion of moon. These are the various examples of the periodic motion. That means which repeats after a regular interval of time. Here we have to know that what is a periodic function. Similarly, periodic function is a function that repeats its value after a regular intervals or a regular period. It is a function which repeats its value after a regular intervals or a regular periods. Or the other definition of periodic function, a function f of x is said to be periodic if there exists least positive integer t such that f of x plus t equals to f of x. Here least positive integer t means least positive integer t such that f of x plus t equals to f of x. Here t is the least positive integer. For an example, f of x equals to f of x plus t, f of x plus 2t, f of x plus 3t equals to f of x plus nt. Here t is the least positive integer. For consider some example, sin x, cos x, tan x, all the trigonometric function are the periodic function. For example, you have sin x is a periodic function. We know that sin x equals to sin x plus 2 pi equals to sin x plus 4 pi equals to sin x plus 6 pi, etc. Here the trigonometric function repeats after regular interval, and that interval or that period, here the period t equals to 2 pi. The sine trigonometric function repeats its value after a regular interval of time 2 pi. प्रति 2 pi sine function रा प्रति 2 pi value रे तार repeats आसुची. For example तुम कहि परिबो sin 0 degree, sin 0 degree is 0. 0 plus 2 pi, x plus 2 pi means sin 0 plus 2 pi means sin 2 pi is also equals to 0. Again sin 4 pi is also equals to 0. That means sine function repeats its value after a regular interval of period, that is 2 pi. Similarly, cos function also repeats. Similarly, cos function also repeats its time interval, and the sine function is and the minimum value of a sine function is -1 and the maximum value of sine function is +1. Sine function is present or is lies between -1 to +1. Similarly, cos function is a periodic function which repeats also after a regular interval of time, and that is 2 pi. So sin x plus 2, cos x plus 2 pi, cos x plus 4 pi, cos x plus 6 pi. So this is another example of periodic function. That means here also the time period t equals to 2 pi. Again, the another function, consider another function, tan function. But tan function repeats its value after a regular interval of time, that is pi. The tan x equals to tan x plus pi equals to tan x plus 2 pi equals to tan x plus 3 pi up etc. So here trigonometric function repeats its value after a regular interval and the time period is pi. The time period is pi. Sine and cos function which repeats its value after a regular interval of time which is 2 pi. Sine and cos function is 2 pi, and also cos function is present between -1 to +1. But tan function is present or lies between -infinity to +infinity. Here some example we can एको आमे बुझी पारिबा गोटे ग्राफ रो बुझी पारिबा देखो जो साइड इज द साइन ग्राफ, कॉस ग्राफ एंड टैन ग्राफ. लक्ष्य करे इस जगह रे जे साइन फंक्शन साइन ग्राफ ता अछि sin 0 is 0, sin pi by 2 is +1, sin pi we have 1, sin 3 pi by 2 -1, sin 2 pi is 0. Here sin 0 0, sin 2 pi 0, sin 4 pi 6 pi 0. And similarly sin pi by 2 is +1 after a regular interval, that is +2 pi. Sin pi by 2 here, sin pi by 2 here, sin pi by 2 equals to 1 equals to sin pi by 2. It is a time interval is 2 pi, that is sin 5 pi by 2 is also 1, which repeats after its value in a regular interval of time 2 pi. Similarly cos function also repeats its value after 2 pi. Consider that cos 0 is +1, cos 0 is +1, cos 0 is +1 equals to cos 2 pi, equals to cos 2 pi also +1. Cos 0, cos 2 pi, 4 pi, 6 pi is +1. Similarly, the tan function is also a trigonometric function which repeats its value after a regular interval of time, that is pi. Here pi, tan 0 0, tan 0 0, tan pi 0, tan 2 pi 0, tan -pi 0, which repeats its value after a regular period which is pi. Now discuss about properties of periodic function. Properties of periodic function. There is a periodic function अच्छी, ए periodic function हम properties पढ़िबा. देखो हम जो Fourier series पढ़िया पे जाउथले, Fourier series जो Fourier साइंटिस्ट रहले से साइंटिस्ट को फुल नेम होची जीन बाप्टिस्टे जोसेफ फोरियर. जीन बाप्टिस्टे जोसेफ फोरियर ताकर बाथ ईयर होची 1768 एंड डेथ ईयर होची 1830. जब हम नेक्स्ट क्लास रे फोरियर सीरीज से पढ़िबा. आज रो फर्स्ट क्लास इंट्रोडक्शन क्लास होची सम टर्म्स कनेक्टेड टू द फोरियर सीरीज. नाउ वी डिस्कस अबाउट properties of a periodic function. Properties of periodic function. Some properties of a periodic function. Consider f of x be a function. Consider f of x be a function whose period is t. Then f of ax having period t by a. It is the first properties of periodic function. T with the period of f of x, then t by a period of f of ax. For example, certain example, sin x having period 2 pi and sin 5x having period 2 pi by 5. And the second properties, consider two function f1x and f2x having period t1 and t2 respectively. Then what is the period of sum of this function f1x plus f2x having period LCM of t1 and t2. तो मन कर t1 be the period of f1x, t2 be the period of f2x, then f1x plus f2x, sum of this function having period LCM of t1 and t2. For example, consider sin x having period 2 pi, sin 5x, sin 2x having period 2 pi by 2 applying these properties. Then period of sin x plus sin 2x is LCM is lowest common factor of a 2 pi by 2 equals to pi. So 2 pi having LCM 2 pi. So the period of a sin x plus sin 2x is 2 pi. Now these are the various properties of a periodic function. Now we can discuss about some another terms connected to the Fourier series, that is even function and odd function. मन पकाओ तुम क्लास 12 मैथमेटिक्स रे इवन फंक्शन एंड ऑड फंक्शन विषय किसी पढ़ी आज आम आउ टिके डिटेल्स रे पढ़िबा इवन फंक्शन एंड ऑड फंक्शन कौन. Also here this is a even function, then two function, even function and odd function, two function, even function and odd function. Let us consider two function. One is the even function and the second one is the odd function. Here we distinguish about even function and odd function. A function f of x is said to be even if f of minus x equals to f of x. A function f of x is said to be even if f of minus x equals to f of x. तो जदि से माइनस साइन टा डिजॉल्व हो जाए फंक्शन रे भानिश हो जाए डिजॉल्व हो जाए फंक्शन रे ताको आमे कहबा इवन फंक्शन. Similarly, a function is said to be odd function if f of minus if g of minus x equals to minus gx. Here the minus sign or the negative sign cannot be dissolved. यदि माइनस साइन टा फंक्शन डिजॉल्व हो जाउजी भानिश हो जाउजी तो इवन फंक्शन. If it does not dissolve, the negative sign in a function is the odd function. Some examples of even function: x square. Here x अगर प्लस वैल्यू पुट करो कि माइनस वैल्यू पुट करो, माइनस रो होल स्क्वायर ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव. cos function, sin square x function, tan square x function, modulus of x function. These are the examples of the even function. Minus the modulus be always positive sign. You can check similarly sin square x and tan square x. And the examples of the odd function is, and the example of odd function is x cube, sin x, tan x, etc. These are the example of the odd function. You can check it. These are the etc. These are the example of the odd function. Let us denote a symbol for even function plus and for odd function minus. Let us denote. Here cos function is the even function. Some graph, it is a cos function which is a even function. A sine function is the odd function. Is agar dekho, here the cos function, which is a even function, is symmetric or a reflection about the y-axis. Even function is symmetric about the y-axis, but there is no condition. एठे जेमती condition अछि जे even function दा y-axis symmetric और reflection देखो जे एपरे जेमती देखा जाउ जे लेफ्ट साइड रे राइट साइड सेमती देखा जाउ जे symmetric और reflection अछि ए जगह सेमती किछि नाही. Now we can discuss some properties of a even function and properties of even function and odd function. The properties discussion करिया properties of even function and function. First properties. Sum of two even function is a even. Sum of two even function is an even. Example, consider x square function plus cos x is a function whose sum of two even function is a even. Similarly, first property, sum of two odd function is an odd. Sum of two odd function is an odd. Here examples, x plus sin x, these are two odd function and this sum is also an odd function. Another properties, product of two even function. For even function we denote plus sign and for odd function we denote minus sign. Product of two even function is also an even function. Similarly, product of two odd function is also even function. Plus, minus into minus also plus. Remember that property easily. Even into even, for examples, even function x square is even function, cos x is even function whose product is also an even function. Or another example, x is odd function, sin x is an odd function whose product is also given as a even function. The second property is here. Product of a even function and a odd function is given a odd function. Or product of a odd function into even function is also given a odd function. Plus into minus, minus into plus, minus. Another some examples. Consider x square be a even function, sin x will be odd function whose product is also given as a odd function. Another example, sin x will be odd function, x square will be an even function. Another example, tan square x is an even function whose product is also an odd function. The plus into plus, even, minus into minus, plus or even, plus minus, minus odd, minus plus minus odd. Thus product of a even function and odd function is given odd function. Let us do another examples. Derivatives of an even function is an odd function. Derivative of an even function is an odd function. Derivatives of an even function is an odd. Similarly, derivatives and vice versa also, derivatives of an odd function is an even. Derivatives of an even function is an even odd. Derivatives of an odd function is an even. देख आमको हुए तो गोटे किसी फंक्शन अच्छी तुम जहाँ जानी पार इवन फंक्शन कि ऑड फंक्शन तो सही जगह कौन कर ना तुम से फंक्शन डेरिवेटिव्स बाहर कर से फंक्शन डेरिवेटिव्स बाहर कर देख जदि से फंक्शन डेरिवेटिव्सटा इवन होता से फंक्शनटा निजे ऑड हो जदि गोटे फंक्शन डेरिवेटिव्सटा ऑड हो फंक्शनटा कौन हो इवन हो तो हियर derivatives of an even function is an odd. For example, let us cos x be a even function whose derivatives cos function derivative sin function which is a odd function. Here cos x is the even function but sin x is the odd function. Similarly, derivatives of an odd function. Derivative of an odd function. Consider an example of an odd function. Let us consider tan x. Tan x with the odd function. Whose derivatives? Tan x derivative we have sec square x, which is an even function. The derivative of an odd function is given as even function. These are the various properties of even and odd function. Let us do another function integral, some definite integrals. Now we discuss about some definite integrals of even and odd function. Let us f of x be an even function. Let us f of be an even function. Then it is integral minus a to plus a f of x dx is becomes twice integral 0 to a f of x dx. Some example at cos x dx having integration minus pi to pi, then it is having twice of 0 to pi cos x dx. Now we can solve cos function. Cos function integration sin x and we put the limits sin pi minus sin 0, that is 2 sin x, limit is 0 to pi, and we have 2 sin pi, upper limit minus lower limit, sin pi minus sin 0, here 2 sin pi also 0 minus 0, so 2 into 0 minus 0 also gives us to 0. Now let us consider, let us f of x be an odd function. Then its integral minus a to a f of x dx is 0. Compare the two equations. Let f of x be an even function, then its integral minus a to plus a is twice of integrals 0 to a. For the integration, let us f of x be a odd function, then its integral minus a to a f of x dx is 0. आखी बंद करें some examples example of a sine function. तो sine be a odd function. तो minus pi to pi, it will dx plus 0 because sin x is odd function. And another example, we know that another examples, we know that product of a even function and a odd function is an odd function. Consider minus pi to pi, let us say even function cos x and a odd function x cube and a odd function x cube. Then its value, then that function cos function is an even function, x cube is the odd function, so the result will be odd function, and odd function having integral minus a to plus a or minus pi to pi is 0. There is no calculation required. Thank you. If you like this video, then you can like and subscribe my channel Physics Solution RK. If you having some doubt, then you can freely ask me. Thank you.